Welcome, AMPS family. This is Counselor Syra welcoming you to part 2 of the Self-Confidence Virtual Workshop. Times are tough, but so are we. In the previous video, we've talked about importance of having a routine, how having a routine, knowing and following what needs to be done at a certain time brings a sense of calmness even in the midst of chaos. We also discussed how people with growth mindset look at life differently. How people with growth mindset actually consider stressful situations as opportunities to grow and become even better. Because remember, with growth mindset, we believe in making efforts, trying until we succeed, and accepting improvement suggestions from others. With that said, we want to remind ourselves that success is not a straightforward journey of moving from one goal accomplishment to the next. Successful people also have fear, doubts, and worries. It's just that through their growth mindset, they're able to get positive results while facing similar challenges as the rest of us. Always remember, you have it in you. We'll keep trying until we succeed. Our first activity will be I am, where you'll be saying 3 positive words or qualities about yourself. Go ahead, let's do this together. What positive words will you choose to complete this sentence? I am. Yes, it can be I am a hard worker. I am a good football player. I am a good listener. I am a good friend. Or I am a good artist. Now that we have boosted up a bit of our positive energy, let's dive deeper into some confidence building strategies. All the problems that we face and the complaints that we have of others and the world is our circle of concern. The smaller circle, however, the circle of influence and control, shows the few areas of life that are actually in our control. And if we focus on things that are in our control, our self-esteem, our self-confidence will increase, leading to generation of a positive success cycle. Think of it as reactive or proactive approaches to problem solving. The yellow outer box contains worries and issues like what other people say, think, or act, what goes wrong in the outside world, the traffic or the weather that you're unhappy with. All of these problems aren't really in your control. So energy spent on these issues is energy wasted. There are things, however, in the blue box, which is your circle of control and influence. Things that are in your control or things you can get through support of other people. Stuff like what I say, what I eat, how I spend my time online. Do I take care of myself? What I buy, how I spend my money, how I react to others. If we choose to spend our energy on these things, that's time and energy well spent, because these choices are for you to make. They are under your control. The more you focus on and spend time on doing and improving things that you can control, the more you build your confidence in your abilities to succeed. And keep increasing this resource list over time. We don't want to fall in the trap of fixed mindset. We want to learn and adopt on growth mindset and improve continuously. There is no harm in spending some of your time and energy on pursuing goals that require support of people around you. Just one thing that you don't want to be doing is spending time complaining, worrying, or ruminating about things that are not under your control, because that will only lead to more stress and frustration. This is where I would invite you to pause the video and pick either one of the circles to fill it according to your life circumstances. You can choose a simple 2-step style of what I can and what I cannot control format on the left, shown in color, or you can go deeper and work on the 3-step format shown on the right to plug in things that are in your control entirely on your own, and that includes everything within you. You can then mention things in circle of influence, that's things you can achieve through support of other people, and then things in circle of concern, that's stuff that worries you and yet is beyond your control. So let's pause and work. It's not what we say out loud that really determines our lives. It's what we whisper to ourselves that has the most power. What we say to ourselves, what we believe about ourselves, lays the foundation of what we are able to make of our lives. Train your brain to give positive messages to yourself about yourself, no matter what others say, think, or do. Remember, your positive self-talk is in your circle of control. Nobody can stop you from telling yourself, I'm enough. I can get through this. I can create my own happiness. I believe in myself and my abilities. I'm going to make the right choices in my circle of control. And that is how I'm going to take lead and be the director of the success story of my life. These are extraordinary times, but life has always been about changing for the better, evolution by the day. Moving from face-to-face to e-learning would require you to build habits and adapt to changes that may be entirely new to you. It is important, however, to make this adjustment at your earliest, because with the changing times, what got you here may not get you there. Remember, there's a lot actually that you control in your life, and most of that lies within you. You control your attitude, your grades, your mood, thoughts, mentality, behavior, choice of friends, being responsible, and how you decide to use your time. Focus on things that matter. And let's jump right into it. Let's take a few minutes to jot down some of the changes you want to make for things that matter to you and are in your control. Mention them under the changes I want to make column. Let's say you want to have a healthy routine. And across the goal, in the steps I can take to make the changes, mention what you can start doing immediately to accomplish that. In order to develop a healthy routine, you may first want to prepare a realistic routine plan that includes appropriate time allocated to things that are important to you and are in your control. When Darwin talked about survival of the fittest, he was right in pointing out that it's not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Hence, intelligence itself is the ability to adapt to change. And this, my fellows, is the time to adapt, time to develop growth mindset, time to focus on things that matter within our circle of control, time to develop and boost our self-confidence, and yes, time to grow. If there's one thing I'm sure of, that is, you've got it. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. Share your success story with us. What's that something that you've learned from these videos that you would include in your life to increase your self-confidence and make your way towards success? You get to choose how you want to share your story. It can be a video you make, an audio message you record and share, or a written response you compose.